Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to set up a Shopify store in Dubai. Now launching a Shopify store in Dubai launching a Shopify store in Dubai is a smart move for entrepreneurs looking to tap into the UAE growing e-commerce sector. Here's how to get started. First of all, sign up on Shopify. You need to visit www.shopify.com and start your free trial that is 3 days free, then pay plans for $29 per month. Enter your store name, email, and password to begin. Now you need to choose your business model. Decide what you'll be selling. Is it physical products, that is clothes, electronic, is it digital goods or services? Is it drop shipping using apps like Dissers or Spockets? Now you need to register your business in Dubai. To run your store legally and use payment gateways, you need a UAE trade license. That is a free zone license, ideal for online businesses. Popular free zones include Dubai, City, Dubai Silicon Oasis, Maidan Free Zone. Now you can also choose the mainland license required if you plan to sell directly to local UAE customers. Now you also need to build your store. Pick a theme from Shopify's free or paid option. Now you also need to build your store. Pick a theme from Shopify's free or paid options. Add your product with details and images, and set up collections, customize your homepage, and create pages like About and Contact. Number 5, you need to enable payment gateways. Connect your store to payment providers. Some popular options in Dubai include PayTaps, Teller, Checkout.com to checkout, Stripe, Atlas for global transactions through a US entity. Note: most require a valid trade license and a local bank account. You also need to set up shipping. You also need to set up shipping. Choose how you deliver products. Is it local delivery or pickup? Are you using couriers like Aramax, Shipper, or Fetcher? Are you offering international shipping with DHL, FedEx, or USP? Shopify supports integration with all major shipping services. Now, launch and promote. Use SEO and social media ads, Facebook, Instagram, Google. Partner with local influencers. Run email marketing campaigns and limited time offers. And stay compliant. Register for VAT if annual revenue exceeds AED 375,000. Keep your license active and renew it yearly. Maintain financial records for tax purposes. Hope you found the video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks for watching.